So have you ever been sewing a project, you lift your needle out of the project and you go to remove your work and it's just stuck. It won't come out and you end up pulling it and you're like, ah! Alright, so take solace. There's probably not anything wrong with your machine. It comes down to a technique. You have to know what position the whole machine is in. Down here in the bottom there is a hook and it grabs this thread. The thread has to travel clear around the hook. Now if you want to see in more detail what that's all about, check out this video where I go over the whole process. You don't have to know exactly how that works. All you need to know is the machine has to be in the proper position in order for your work to pull out easily. The machine goes through cycles, and while the machine is in this cycle, when the needle is down in the work, you know that it's not going to come out. You can see it. But then there's that hook, and so as the needle comes out, right now that thread is still around the hook. So what you need to do is just watch this part of the machine right here, this take-up lever. So I'm going to advance the machine and this lever is going to go, and when it gets right up to the top, that's when you can remove your work. So just watch the take-up lever, and when the take-up lever is at the tip-top position, then you know that the work is going to remove easily, like this. So just know that if you put your machine in the right position, your work's going to come out easily. Alright, well, that's all for this short tip. Be sure and check out my other videos. I talk a lot about sewing machines, mostly industrial sewing machines. I've got home sewing machine stuff too. I also have other projects, just me working with my hands. If you like this sort of thing, let me know down in the comments. Give me a thumbs up. And as always, please consider subscribing to my channel. Why does this keep happening to me?